squirting the cow out first, and then we dip her. Plugging the pulsator into the vacuum line and the milk line into the stainless steel milk line. Putting on the milker, wiping off the quarters. And putting the milk in.
Iodine. This cow here that's milking out is Sphinx. You can see the milk coming right down. This is a pulsator line which sucks the milk through. And this is the return line. And then you hook right up the milker. Send the milk shooting right through the spark line. So we're just swinging it over. He's wearing rubber gloves because
To keep the bacteria from spreading between cows and on my hands. The gloves don't hold bacteria like your hands do. So.
What's the name of this cow?
Trefoil.
And how old do you think she is?
She's probably 6. And her name is Trefoil because it looks like she has a vine going up her side.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, to take the milker off, there's a button on the bottom. You pull it off, pull it down, and then it loses vacuum. The milker flops off. Then we post dip with the same iodine teat dip. This is the dipper. And you squeeze the sides and milk for the tit dip goes in the top. This cow is Venus. Milk cart holder towels, extra teat dipper, headphones when somebody's not recording, and then this is a weight if we have a cow with a slow quarter, we hang it on the milker for. If we had a slow quarter, you just hang it on here and it'll help milk this quarter out faster. This cow doesn't have it, but. And then we keep cat food.
And then that iodine dries for how long?